The DA69S offers 2D as well as 3D programming that includes automatic bend sequence calculation and collision detection. Full 3D machine setup with multiple tool stations giving true feedback on the product feasibility and handling. The offline programming, as it comes with Profile S3D, increases efficiency and machine uptime. DXF import as well as 3D import are available to help convert designs as well as tooling. The DA69S flagship control combines solid fundamental press brake control functionality with the latest of enhancements increasing productivity. Next to highest accuracies, ease of use for the operator, it makes today's press brakes more versatile than ever. Integration of machines in the manufacturing process chain is what it is all about. The control operation, based on state-of-the-art industrial touchscreen technology, gives access to the proven renewed Delem user interface and enables direct navigation between programming and production. Functions are directly located where you need them, offering optimized ergonomics throughout the application. Detect collisions between all moving elements, visualize bending, overbend, spring back, realistically simulate operator part handling. Simulate the bending sequence with the full machine configuration in 3D, finger stools, part, and machine. User-friendly software combine flagship control for CNC press brake programming and simulation, maximizing production efficiency. Box bending process. After real-time, automatic 3D simulation, presented a realistic visualization of the bending process. This helps you to create an error-free production, producing code, or a bending report. User-friendly software combine flagship control for CNC press brake programming, maximizing production efficiency. Ease of use for the operator, it makes today's press brakes more versatile than ever.